What's up, everyone? This is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. Here on this channel, we talk about personal finance, apps to make you money, ways to make money online, and also investing. We're going to be talking about the Cash App in this video and addressing a very important question which I've been getting a lot in my comment section. That question is, how do you transfer money to Cash App from your bank account without using a debit card? In other words, how can you use your bank account information only to transfer money? Before we answer that, you might be wondering, is that even possible? Because if you thumped around with the Cash App app, you'll see there's not really an option there to do that. Every time you have add cash, it automatically just goes straight to pull money from the debit card and not necessarily your bank account. The answer is yes, you can do it, but not in the way that you're thinking of. So how would you stereotypically transfer money from one account to another? You basically input the routing information of account B so that account A could transfer the money over there. And you need to use the same process with Cash App. So in other words, your Cash App has a routing number and it has an account number. You need to put that information into whatever bank that you want to transfer money from and then initiate the transfer from the other bank. To illustrate this, we're going to use an example. Let's say I wanted to move money from my Chase account to Cash App. So what I would need to do in my Chase account is go to where it says transfer and then add the Cash App account. So I would input the routing number and I would input the account number. Once I've done that, I've linked those two accounts and I can now exchange money between those two. Once that's done, then I initiate a transfer for how much money do I want to transfer to the Cash App from my Chase bank account. From there, it's basically a normal bank transfer. So this is possible, but you can't initiate it using the Cash App. You have to initiate it using the other bank that you want to pull the money from. Keep in mind that whatever transfer limits that that bank has, you need to abide by. So they may have a maximum amount of money you can transfer in a day. You'll want to refresh your memory on how much that is just so you'll be aware of that. But yes, it is possible to transfer money to your Cash App without using a debit card. You just have to initiate it in the other bank. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And if you have not signed up for Cash App and you're curious about how to do so, you want to check this video out so you can learn the process of signing up and you can take advantage of the benefits that Cash App has to offer. If you found value in this video, a like is very much appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that bell notification so you can be notified when I drop another video. It's been Elijah with Financial Anatomy. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.